So do you want to know how to create a look in 10 minutes using drugstore makeup? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. It's flawless, it's easy, you would never know they're drugstore products, and really, really quick. Don't forget, I'm on several different social media platforms, so make sure you go check them out. If you want business, I've got it. If you want productivity, you want beauty, you want fashion, you want to read, you want to watch, whatever it is, there's a bit of everything for everyone. Now, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Let's get started with it. Are you guys ready to be in a panic with me for the next 10 minutes? Well, the only reason I'm saying that is because every time I do a 10-minute video, it's so stressful. I give myself anxiety and I feel like I give everyone else anxiety. It's literally so stressful doing these 10-minute videos, but you guys seem to love them and you've been saying, like, giving some different ideas on what kind of like 10-minute videos to do. So today we have a very different one. It's our 10-minute drugstore makeup tutorial. So yeah, it's just so stressful. I know I'm going to be stressed out because I haven't used drugstore makeup for a 10-minute video before. I don't believe I have anyway. So this is going to be quite a situation. So I guess we better get started. You know what it's like for me. I always take forever trying to put the alarm on. It's so annoying. Like the timer, I mean, not the alarm. I'm just going to go ahead and do it. I'm just honestly so over being stressed about this. So let's get this timer on. Okay. Oh gosh, 10 minutes? Yeah, I mean, let's just see what happens, guys. I'm not promising anything. Let's just see what happens. So I've got the 10-minute timer ready. Let me just get my bearings. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. I think someone actually mentioned on the comment on a previous 10-minute video that please can you just get your stuff ready beforehand, because that gave me so much anxiety watching you. I am getting everything ready. I have, you know, a lot of the stuff out. I'm not getting things like brushes and stuff like that out because I feel like that isn't kind of normal. Like I feel like we don't get everything ready when we do our makeup. Do you see what I mean? Let's start now in a second. We're gonna, let me get this time. I do this every time. Okay, by the way, I've got all my skincare on and stuff, right? So I'm just going straight in with the makeup. I don't know why I do this, as if I don't know where anything is. But that kind of happens to me in the middle of it. I'm like, where is everything? Okay, so let's get started now. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is use my foundation, which is my L'Oreal True Match. And I'm going to list everything after. But I'm using my Sigma F. Why am I even looking? F85 brush. Okay. Just going to like swirl this onto the skin. How crazy would it be if this actually looks better than kind of like luxury 10-minute look? What? This is such a good foundation, by the way. Like, such a good foundation. That one pump has given me really good finish. Really good finish. I can't even get my words out. Okay, now I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Oh, come on, don't do this. I'm just like twisting, but it's taking forever. Okay, now I'm going to get my sponge. Okay, I'm going to just like buff this in to my lids and there you go. Just the eyelids first, right? Okay, got my Real Techniques brush. Just gonna get some of this powder. This is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Is that even it? Can't Stop, Won't Stop? Yeah, sounds like a song. Okay. That's in Banana, by the way. So that's done on my eyelids. Let's now put this concealer on the under eyes. Oh, such a good concealer. I don't know why it surprises me every time I use it. I've done a few videos using this concealer and this foundation, and it really is, they really are my favorite drugstore kind of products because I feel like they don't feel cheap. You know, they don't, like, when I'm applying it and I'm blending it, they don't feel cheap. The minute they come out of the bottle, it doesn't feel cheap to me. So I guess that's what it is that I love about it. It just doesn't, it's not giving me like cheap vibes. It's actually giving me quite like luxury vibes the minute it's out of the bottle, because obviously the packaging is definitely not as luxury as like a lot of the luxury brands offer. There you go. So now I'm going to add a little bit of cream blush. What is going on? I'm not even checking the time. not bad, guys. I've got 7 minutes left. I can chill out a little bit. Well, not really. But anyway, I have got my BK Beauty 108 brush, and this is my e.l.f. Putty Blush, and it's like this peachy colour. Okay, I'm just like, oh man, I just got foundation concealer on the brush. Okay, let's get rid of that. Okay, I'm just swirling it in this. Okay. Ooh, this looks so nice and fresh on the skin. You can swirl it in as well, I think. Oh, this looks good. It's like a really nice peach colour. Oh, it makes your skin look so good. I really do like this. Just applying it to the peaks of the cheekbone. There you go, I'm happy with that. Okay, so next up, you know what? I shouldn't be taking my time. I just saw the time and I was like, I've got loads of time. I shouldn't be doing that because the minute I get to my eyebrows, it's going to be a whole different story. Okay, so let's now set this, right? I'm going to use my powder. Let me just make sure that there are no creases on the under eyes. Okay, I've got my Real Techniques brush and I'm just going to set my under eyes. I'm going to apply the powder wherever I want it to be matte, which is usually everywhere. But I'm just going to do it over my cheeks because I don't want to really I want the nice glowy cheek colour. Okay. Right, there you go. So that's done. Let's add a little bit of bronzer. This is the Rimmel one, natural bronzer. Okay, and let's just add some warmth to the face, you know, and some shape. Wow, how is my skin looking so good with this stuff? Yeah, okay, well that's good. Okay, that's done. I'm making so much noise, guys, I'm really sorry. Oh my god, I've got like a hair right on my eye. What is going on? It's right there, I can feel it, but I can't see it. I don't know where it is. Anyway, okay, how much time have I got left? 4 minutes 56. Okay, what's next? What should I do? What is important? Okay, brows, obviously. Let's do the brows. This is the, what is this? Rimmel Brow Pro Micro in soft brown. Okay, I need a mirror. Okay. Now, the one thing I struggle with finding when it comes to like drugstore makeup is a good brow pencil. And this is actually a really good micro fine brow pencil. The only thing is I probably would say from using this that I need maybe a little bit of a darker shade. So just bear that in mind, that this might be a bit light for me, but it is the only one that I have. Okay, well, let's just go with it. Let's just see what happens. I don't know what it's going to look like on camera. It definitely seems a little bit too light to me. Okay. Yeah, it does seem light to me, so I'm just letting you know. I think I'm just trying to distract you from how long I'm taking on my brows. Okay, I think that's, no, it's not okay. I just saw it and I was like, no, that is not okay. Okay, that is a bit better. I definitely think I need a darker shade. I don't have a darker shade, so we're just going to go with that. 3 minutes left. Okay, I'm going to apply my mascara now. What am I going for? Oh, obviously my Maybelline Sky High, because that's just amazing. Oh my god, I have something there. It's so annoying. Whatever. Okay, let's go for this. I can literally hear this dog barking so loud outside. I don't know if you can hear it. So this is like, I thought I nearly touched my skin there. I kind of skimmed it. But I guess I'm lucky. Oh my god, imagine that, right? Through this whole thing, I do a 10-minute video and the mascara one touches my skin, it definitely would not sort itself out, would it? Would not have the time to actually, can you imagine that if I finished the whole 10-minute video and the look is basically with a huge mascara smudge on my eyelid or under my eye? That would be a complete fail, right? There you go. You should have been able to hear that. Dog? I can see this flipping hair. Did I get it? It's when I'm going like this, I can see. I don't know where it is, guys. It's anyway. 1 minute 44. Okay, let's apply some lip pencil. This is the Sleek lip pencil in, wow, Locked Up. Yeah. It's a bit dark, so I'm going to smudge it like I usually do for a natural look. Okay, so now let's put a little bit of, this is, what is this, Flormar lip tattoo. Not all over, because that's going to be too much. But you know what? I feel like I need a bit of that brow pencil on my lip. Much better. Just felt the hair. Okay, that's better. That was better than that lip pencil. Okay, you know what? Are we done? Do we have a flawless look? Guys, I have some time left over. I have 20 seconds. What am I going to do with that 20 seconds? Oh, I feel like I'm going to sneeze. That's what I'm going to do. Oh my God, I feel like I'm going to sneeze. Don't sneeze, don't sneeze, don't ruin it. But yeah, I think, oh, what could I do? 9, I could add a little bit more kind of mascara. And done. Guys, I am really, really impressed with that. I am so impressed that I managed to do that. I'm actually really, really loving this look. Like, I can't believe I actually managed to do that in 10 minutes. And I'm really surprised at how good my skin looks. Like, how good does it look? There's this kind of like sheen on there, which I wasn't expecting. And I don't know where that's come from. Maybe the blush mixed in with the kind of foundation and concealer. And this hair was literally killing me. Like, it's still there somewhere. It's still there. I don't know where it is. Whoa. I don't know what's going on there. But anyway, I'm really, really pleased with this. Now, let me just very quickly let you know the reason why I use the brow pencil as my lip pencil. Because I tried on this lip liner and it's new. I haven't used this before. And I didn't like it because it made me look like I had no lips. That's why I went to the brow pencil, and hopefully that can show you that you can multitask with products. And yeah, then it gave me more of a lip shape, and I feel like it didn't look like my lip line was just disappearing into my skin. So that's something that you can do if you feel like you're not finding the right lip liner. Use your brow pencil on your lips. It's going to give you the best lip outline. So that basically is my look. How do you think this went? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any other ideas for 10-minute videos, please let me know, because I'd love to try it out. I find them quite fun. They're very stressful, but I find them fun. I just saw the hair again. I don't know what's going on, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna go wash my face in a second. But yeah, I've got hairs everywhere. I don't know where they're coming from. It's like they come from a brush or something. But anyway, don't forget, everything's listed in the description box below. I'm sending you loads of good vibes your way. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care, and I'll see you soon.